Hello everyone, in this video we will make a Ether transfer from a contract to an account. In the last video we have done an Ether transfer from an account to a contract, and also this function here we will need it because after creating our function and calling it we will be checking the balance of the contract to see if our function is successful or not. So now we can return back to our function creation here. We will create a simple function and we will name it as function something, and then let's tag it as external. And here we will be using call method to make Ether transfer from contract to the account. And obviously the contract is this contract, but the account we don't know it yet, and we will use function parameter area to specify an account. So we will say address, let's say underscore receiver. Okay, and also we will create another parameter to specify the amount. So now we will use call method, and as you might remember, call is returning two things. The first thing is a boolean to tell us if our call is successful or not, and the second thing is a bytes data regarding the function that we are calling. But in this case we are not going to be calling any function, and for that reason we can leave here empty. And later you will just grab this address information, paste it here, and put the keyword call and open some curly braces, and here we will specify the amount. The value is a keyword here, and the amount will be this underscore amount obviously. And later we will open some parentheses. Again, parentheses, they will stay empty because here we are not making any function call, so it can stay empty. And let's say require, and we will say success, and that's it. So this is the function that we need to make a transfer from a contract to an account. So it's already compiled. Let's now deploy, and let's come here. As you can see, we have deposit function here, which helps us to transfer Ether to this contract, and obviously we will need this because right now the contract balance is 0, so we must first put something inside so that later we can take out something from it. And let's go here. For example, here you see I have 70 Ethers, and from these 70 Ethers I will be sending 20 Ethers to this contract. So let's specify it as 20 here. Yeah, and now let's call this deposit. Let's get the balance. You see now I have 20 Ethers. So now let's expand this something, and let's go to this account, copy the contract account, copy the account address, and go back to our previous account, paste it here, and here we need to specify the amount. So amount we will say, let's say 5 Ether, but I cannot just say 5, I need to type 18 zeros now. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it's now 5 Ether, 18 zeros. So if I transact, it's successful. So it means that if I now get the balance, it should be 15. It's 15. And if I now go to this address, you see it's 105. So that's how you make a transfer from a contract to an account. And see you next time. Bye bye.